Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on ticker symbol BABA about a week ago on April 19th, when the price of this asset was at $68.88, and my main assumption was that we have to see another small leg to the downside, and then we have to see this bounce that will break the range of resistance at $70.26, and we might even hit a higher target of $75.67. And here is the actual price action of this asset. As you can see, we were at this point, and we have a small movement to the downside, and then we have this extremely powerful movement to the upside that reached the range of resistance at $75.67. And guys, this shows how powerful technical analysis is. I showed you this potential movement of this asset, and it worked perfectly well. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to read the price charts easily as I can, definitely you can subscribe to my YouTube channel or to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative part of this offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. And that is why it is pretty much one-on-one training for the price of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And in my opinion, it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So let's continue with the price action again. I have to say that I caught a lot of the most recent movements of Alibaba. Somewhere at this point I made a video, that we have to retest this range of support, and then we have to have a bounce. Then I made a very detailed breakdown of this movement to the upside that has a 5-wave structure, and I found out that we completed the retracement to this level, and we hit crucial points according to Elliott wave theory. And from this range I also told you that we might have hit higher targets. Again, we might land somewhere at around $75.67, and we hit it to the tick, and then we had this movement to the downside. Guys, definitely this asset is extremely technical, and for now I have to say that I also have some very precise prediction for its upcoming movements. That is why just watch this video till the very end, and I will show you what I am talking about. So let me show you the news that might be the catalyst for this asset. If you type on Google search bar Alibaba stock or BABA stock and switch to news tab folder, you will not find a lot of the most impressive news that could be a catalyst for this asset. But definitely this, let me switch to daily time frame. This 6 days in a row movement to the upside with the huge gaps in between these daily candles shows that this asset is quite bullish, and definitely we broke the first we broke this range of resistance, and we came back to the range where this asset was for quite a long period of time. And definitely for now we have to break another range in order to confirm its next trend. And if you take a look on the list of institutional investors in order to confirm or proof or disprove the theory that it might go to the upside, I have to say that if you take a look on the most recent filings that was made basically at the very end of April, we have quite controversial data. Some companies opened new positions like this one, Legacy Bridge, but they opened just tiny position for $7,000. Next company, Life Pro Asset Management, added about $4.3 million into this asset. And other companies, they reduced its position. Some of them reduced even by 99.5%. And definitely we cannot assume, based on this data, the sentiment of the so-called smart money. That is why, guys, be cautious, and you can rely on the technical analysis, because we don't have any upcoming news that also might be a catalyst, except the earnings report that will take place somewhere in a month. And definitely before this earnings report, we have to see at least several major pivot points on this price action in order to realize where we are on a price chart. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you that this movement to the downside that lasts again for a little bit longer than 1 week didn't have any proper retracements, and this movement to the upside was quite expectable. Definitely we could retest the range, the previous swing low at about $67 mark, but this underthrow usually happens when the asset turns its sentiment to bullish. And unfortunately, we don't have enough volume to confirm that this movement to the upside is the beginning of a new uptrend. And that is why we have to be cautious, but take a look right here. If you switch to RSI indicator and if you take a look on its hourly time frame, you can see that we have, as you can see, we have bearish divergence, and for now, the market just opened and we already have about 2.21% of upside movement. And guys, if you switch to 2 hours time frame or 3 hours time frame or 4 hours time frame, we basically 4 hours time frame is still quite bullish, but 2 and 3 hours time frame are forming the bearish divergence as well. We have higher highs on our side with the lower high on the price action, and definitely we have to see proper subdivision inside this movement in order to assume that this asset should have a retracement. And in general, guys, we have another range of support that is at $77.88 mark. That might be the trend reversal for this asset. And to be honest, I have to say that during this movement to the upside, when the asset breaks some levels of resistance, I don't encourage you to enter your position on its movement to the upside. Wait for the retracement. This will improve your average price, and this will lead to lower potential losses because you have to put your stop loss slightly below its previous bottom. And in this case, you will be able to catch its next movement to the upside. And I have to say that for now, before the earnings report, I think this asset might break all these ranges, all these previous swing highs and ranges of resistances, but we have to see the proper subdivision. That is why wait for the retracement and wait for more confirmation from the technical standpoint in order to enter your long position. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm